How to blur part of video in CapCut PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open CapCut on your device and now tap on the create project option you see there and then tap on the import option you see there and further import the video that you want to add the blur effect in. Now, drag the project to your timeline at the bottom, and once your project is on the timeline, go ahead and select the portion of the video that you want to add the blur effect in. So, simply drag the pointer to the part of the video that you want to blur and then tap on the split option you see there and then drag the pointer again to the end of the part of the video that you want to blur. Further, go ahead and select the part of the video that you want to blur and on top toolbar you will see the option for effects. Tap on that and from the left side of your screen, go ahead and make sure to select the video effects option you see there and further scroll through and search for the blur effect option, and if you cannot find the blur effect option here, then you can also tap on the search bar there and search for the blur effect. Once you have the blur effect, simply tap on the plus icon you see there beside the effect, and with this the effect will be added. You can now go ahead and make adjustments and adjust the portion of the video that you want to add the blur effect in, and finally tap on the export button, and with this, as you can see, the blur effect has been added. So this is how you can add the blur effect on a specific part of a video in CapCut PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.